For many people, almost all the main functions they use their computer for, work, communication, or entertainment, have moved online in recent years. This has given them the freedom to move to lighter and faster netbooks, which also tend to be a lot cheaper than traditional desktop and laptop computers. This trend that started in a big way with Google's Chromebooks has been quickly taken forward by very good quality cloud-based computing options from other leading companies. Our product today is also part of a much talked about series of cloud-based devices brought out by the computer hardware giant HP. This is the HP Stream 11-y010nr laptop.
Here we go!
The HP Stream 11-y010nr is a beautifully designed, nimble machine intended to lend tremendous speed to your work, aided by all the power that comes from working on the Windows 10 system. It is based on a powerful Intel Celeron N3060 dual-core processor with 4GB DDR3L SD-RAM memory and 32GB eMMC storage, which lets you boot up the laptop within seconds and get on with your work. Since it is meant to support your work and entertainment needs through the cloud, it can afford to do away with a lot of add-ons that make a typical laptop slow and heavy. Any extra storage needs can be easily fulfilled with the high-quality and very affordable SD cards and thumb drives available these days, providing you the flexibility to move around your data. Plus, the machine also comes with a 1-year subscription of Office 365 Personal Suite and 1TB of OneDrive cloud-based storage. This gives you more than enough space to store your important files online in a secure manner and work from any location from multiple machines as well. Speed and productivity are also the driving principles behind the design of the laptop. Weighing just 2.57 pounds, this striking blue-colored machine looks great and is also ultra-portable. The 11.6-inch HD anti-glare backlit display is not just ideal for working long hours, but also delivers true-to-life pictures in high resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. The image pad with gesture capabilities adds to the work comfort and also makes full use of the functionality of Windows 10 operating system, and its improved 802.11 AC 2x2 antenna delivers stronger, more reliable internet connection than ever before. Another strong feature, thanks to its light design, is its long-lasting battery, which gives an average life of 10.45 hours, a significant improvement on even higher-end traditional laptops. So, if you are looking for a low-power usage Chromebook-style device that gets your job done efficiently and saves you a whole lot of money, the HP Stream 11-y010nr looks like one of the best options available in the market right now. It gets an average score of 3.6 on 5 stars from close to 1,000 users in the reviews, with its aesthetic design, portability and speed earning it many glowing comments. The bloatware, which you can always remove, and the small storage space can be an issue with people used to hundreds of gigabytes of hard disk space on conventional laptops, which accounts for a lot of its negative reviews. It's also not meant for heavy video editing or gaming, but is perfect for regular office or schoolwork, streaming online videos, or internet surfing. That's about all we have on the HP Stream 11-y010nr laptop for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other laptop reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.